चेतोदर्पणमार्जनं भवमहादावाग्नि निर्वापनं श्रेयकैरवचन्द्रिका वितरणं विद्यावधूजीवनम् आनन्दाम्बुदिवर्धनं प्रतिपदं पूर्णामृतस्वादनं सर्वात्मस्नपनं परं विजयते श्रीकृष्णसंकीर्तनम्. Starting from Cheto Darpanamarchanam, Krishna, 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 and Krishna inside out. Many things happen in japa. Namna makari bahudam nija sarva shaktis tatrarpitani amita smaranena kalam etatrishi tava kripa bhagavan mamapi durtaiva mitrishamiha janinanuragam trinadapi sunichena tarorivasahishnu amanina manadena kirtaniya sada hari. Nadanam najanam na sundarim kavitam vajagadish mama janmani janmanishware bhavatat bhaktya haitu kitvayi. All these realizations will happen. But it starts with Cheto Darpanam Archanam. It starts with Anuraga to the holy name, attachment to the holy name, fond attachment to the holy name, so much so that it is only Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. In every direction, inside out. So much attachment that there is only Krishna that is appearing everywhere, all the time, in everything. That much attachment, such a fond attachment. Ainanda tanuja kinkaram patitam mam vishame bhavam putavam kripayam tava pada pankaja stita dhuli satrisham vichintaya. Hey Nanda tanuja Krishna, please make us as the saffron dust particle at your lotus feet. Oh my goodness, is that so? All of a sudden, Nanda Tanuja Krishna, saffron dust particles. How did it come this far? Krishna Kripa Shri Murti, who is placing us as saffron dust particles at the lotus feet of Nanda Tanuja Krishna. Nayanam galadashrudharaya vadanam gadgadaruddhaya giran पुलकैर्निचितैर्वपुकदा तव नामगृहणे भविष्यति युगायितं निमेषेण चक्षुषा प्रावर्ष्यायितं शून्यायितं जगत् सर्वं गोविन्द विरहेण. This much attachment for the holy name that we can bear the separation from the holy name even for a moment. Where did this come from? Gauranga. Shri Krishna Chaitanya, Radha Krishna nahi anya. In the japa is Shri Guru Radhika Priyasaki. Krishna Chaitanya, who is Radha Krishna nahi anya. The Nama has the whole Dhamma. What is it that is not there in the Nama? What is it that doesn't happen during the japa? Aslishyavang padaratam pinastumam adarshana marmahatam karotu yada tatha vidadhatau lampatu matprananathastu sayevana paraham. Prananatha. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Whoever hears or recites this Sri Sikshastakam given by Sriman Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, their love and devotion for Krishna will increase day by day. Atha eva nama matra वैष्णवेरा धर्मा नामे प्रस्फुटिता होइले रूpa guna karma is my nama heading that way? Is it becoming my very dharma? Dharamatya sarvasreshta nama sankirtana niraparadha nama lele bhaye premadhana is right here. Premadhana. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. प्रेम से कहो श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंदा श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद की जय। श्री हरिनाम प्रभु की जय। श्री शिक्षाष्टकम की जय। आचार्य भगवान की जय।